we go. Another one.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Burnett County until 5:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:18 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northeast of Seattle, or 12 miles north of the Cannon Dam, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Burnett County. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.